So if we say we take $200 million and dedicate it to green roofs and bioswales and all that, and one can argue on the side that if you took $100 million and put it into improving waste treatment, that you could actually do a better job, dollar for dollar, in terms of gallon of stormwater that you treat. It brings to that question of civic revitalization and what the value of that is, and what the symbolic value is of having things on the street that people can see and say, ah, I understand what that's about. You know, the children, the school children, the high school kids, that's about allowing the water to percolate into the ground. So I suppose the dollar for dollar thing has to take some consideration into the other components of these, the other benefits, the less tangible benefits, say.
There's also, you know, it depends on what we mean by green infrastructure, but in Detroit, when we talk about green infrastructure, it's often like a whole lot. And so there's the stormwater benefits, but there's also the, you know, they've actually quantified the psychological benefits of having green space near you, their health benefits. There's the energy savings often associated with not treating the water in the first place. There's reduction in crime. There's a lot of good work in Flint going by a number of public health specialists who are actually quantifying the crime benefits. So I think it's also a matter of bringing into the fold these other benefits and actually layering them on top and providing a better case. There's still a lot to be done in terms of measurement of green infrastructure, in terms of stormwater and other things. And I think that's ongoing, but we're going to get to a point where we're going to be able to have a pretty good idea of some of them. About Detroit, one has to remember too, the whole water infrastructure, it's much bigger than the city of Detroit, so it serves all of southeast Michigan. So there's a lot of thriving communities and regions that are connected to it. So it's not just a matter of the city, so it's a much larger infrastructure.